Hi, my name is Sean Nicolas D. Desus from 10 St. Camillus de Lelis. Gun control, for war or peace. We all know that gun may be for good or for bad. As a matter of fact, it is very useful. But first, we must know what gun means. A gun is a normally tubular weapon or other device designed to discharge projectiles or other materials. It may be also used for defense. For me, gun control is a must because we must all know our limitation. In our country, it is a must to prevent the bad deeds that may be done by almost all of the best ways on how to lessen the gun cases. If we know how to control our guns, we will be having more knowledge and it will be a good contribution for our society. Fewer guns means less possibility on having a criminal cases or incident. With this, we will be at peace, most especially when people intend to unite instead of having a chaos and preparing gun as a weapon. Criminals mostly use guns, so if guns were lessened, it simply means criminals will be lessened also. Less people will be affected, also a stepping stone to peace. The prevention of gun is not the only answer to our problem. The best solutions are knowledge, order and being a responsible person or citizen. By that, we will be well educated. There will be less crimes and for that we will recognized for having the good discipline and will be encouraging others to do what is right. People must have discipline. For that, we will be known as good, organized, and well-educated people. If we want to have a change, take a step. To the world about how important gun control is. Say no to temper and start making a change. A change that is needed for our country or for our world, most especially to our generation. Start a change by yourself and by that, you can change the world. We must be responsible at all times because we know that all the repentance is always at last. So be responsible and think of the innocent people around you.